Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Simply Earth for October. Do you want to see what's inside and what recipes will be in here? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so October's box is right here in my hands, and I'm dying to see what recipes are in here because they always do give you a spoiler for the following month. And last month it was a spoiler that there's going to be candles, and I love candles. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what we will be making. All right, so that's what it looks like when you open it. And that's what's inside. So they always give you this little card right here, which is amazing because anything that you do make from this month, any of the little recipes or the oils or anything like that, these are labels to put on there. So if you have a jar sitting around, you're like, well, what concoction is in here? They have you covered because they have it all listed. And they even do just the oils on the side. So if you need to put a specific oil or anything like that, you have that as well. And they're all stickers. So I do really like that they put this in there and they think of that. They go over all of the cards. Each recipe has its own card for it. It tells you exactly how to put them together. They're super, super easy. If you have any questions, you can always go to any of their forums, I think on Facebook, and they actually make them and you can see physically somebody making them, putting them together if you have any questions or any doubt or anything like that, but they're super simple. So the first thing is going to be Focus Lip Balm. The time on this is 5 minutes plus 15 minutes of cool time, and everything that you need for the ingredients is actually included in this or the bonus box. They do have, sometimes you might need to get an item from your kitchen or purchase an item if you don't have it. This one does not have any of the asterisks. It's all included. So there's a lip balm that we will be making. Here's a fall diffuser blend, and of course it's all of the essential oils that's included in this particular box, so everything's included. And they do give you the instructions if you want to make a full vial of it. So if you want to just do a one-time diffuse, it tells you like 1 drop of this. If you want to do an actual vial, which comes in the bonus box, it tells you how many drops to put in there, and then you put the little thing on there, and you can always use it and just dab it into your diffuser at any time, and it's already ready. Next is going to be a cassia and orange candle. Ooh. This one here is 5 minutes plus 60 minutes of cool time. And on this one, you need 1 wick, which looks like is in here, and you need a 2 to 3 ounce jar or a similar container to make the candle in, and that's the only thing that's not included is the jar. So you'll need a jar for this one. You have a cassia, I don't even know if I'm saying that right, and balsam fir candle. Ooh, so here's another candle, and you'll need just the container. Same thing, 5 minutes of prep time and 60 minutes of cool time. Then here's a DIY aromatherapy rice bag, time 5 minutes. What you will need is 1 to 3 cups of rice, which is not included, and 1 clean sock. Yeah, don't use a dirty sock. That is so cute. And then the last one is joint pain roll-on. And it only takes 1 minute, and it would be one of the roller balls, which is in the bonus box, and everything else is included. So this month is very easy. The only thing that you would need other than what's included between the 2 boxes is a candle holder to put the candle in. So here is the joint roll-on. Now, the essential oils that are here this month is right here. This is a balsam fir essential oil. I love using this oil for joint pain relief, which is why it's in our joint pain roll-on recipe this month. It is also one of my favorite blends for arthritis, which is highlighted in our blog posts for this oil. So again, you could always check out their blogs and they'll tell you different things on how to use them. This one is sweet orange, uplifting and citrusy. This oil is a crowd pleaser. It has a wide variety of usage from boosting creativity to skincare to pain relief. focus, find yourself daydreaming at work? This blend is a combination of cardamom, frankincense, eucalyptus, and sweet orange essential oils to make you more alert, boost your creativity, and help you get your work done. I definitely have to try that. So this is that one I wasn't sure how to pronounce. It's cassia, I'm not sure, essential oil. This oil is related to cinnamon, and you'll be able to tell as soon as you smell it. It reduces nausea, nourishes hair and skin, repels insects, and is great for killing germs. So that is the 4 different essential oils that we will be using this particular month. So if you get this month, this is what you will be receiving. And then on the side, you will be having these 2 like chapstick containers. That's probably for the Focus Lip Balm. And then here's a wax, and it looks like I only received, I only received 1 wax wick, so I'll only be able to make 1 of the 2 candles because I only received 1 of them. And then we have soy wax. This is what you will make the candles with, but again, I'll only be making 1 of them unless I buy more wicks because these are not reusable once you use them. Okay, you guys, so there's that. Now, every month they do donate 13%, and it's always on their box as well. I believe right on the bottom, 13%. This month they are giving 13% to 5 Stones. 5 Stones is a nonprofit making a difference by raising awareness of the magnitude of sex trafficking in Simply Earth's home state of Wisconsin. Their 5 Stones of action are awareness, education, prevention, networking, and collaboration to help bring an end to modern day slavery. So they always donate 13% to help end human trafficking, which is an amazing cause. And I love when boxes give back. So they definitely give back every single month, and they always tell you who they're giving to. Now, let me find the spoiler for November. Here's a sneak peek at November's recipe box. Bath and shower. Next month is bath themed. Even if you don't take baths, you'll have recipes that are great in the shower as well. Ever heard of milk bath? No. They're super nourishing for the skin, and we'll be exploring them next month. Oils that will be included is cinnamon, eucalyptus, lime, and tranquility blend. Bonus item would be whole milk powder and tea bags. Recipes to look forward to: 2 milk baths, chai tea bath, shower steamers. Ooh, that sounds interesting. Roll on and diffuser recipes. Tips for next month: make sure you have oatmeal in the house and have a way to grind it. If you are sensitive to dairy, have ground almonds or almond milk on hand as a substitute. So that's to prep you for next month. So there's that. Now, if you do not know about Simply Earth, I will let you know all of the details. If you already know and you watch my videos, then that's everything that's going to be in this particular month, and that's what you would be making if you do receive this month's box. Okay, you guys, so to tell you a little bit about Simply Earth, with their essential recipe box, it will include 4 essential oils. So every month you will always get 4 different essential oils, natural ingredients plus fun extras. It's a $150 value for only $39 a month. Each recipe box every month will be $39. You can make 6 recipes every month, and there's a new theme that they stick with every single month as well, which I do like, because this is not just a company who's just giving you essential oils saying have fun, figure out how to use them, see what you can make. No. They're giving you 6 different recipes that are fully detailed and step-by-step instructions, which they also put them together on their forums and their blogs that you can see as well. So they're not just leaving you high and dry. In case you do have any questions, you can watch them, put them together. And it's free shipping to the United States. You can use my code SheCraftyFree to get $40 gift card on a future purchase, plus the free bonus box. So you will get a free bonus box, which comes with a whole bunch of stuff that you will need to help you with the recipes, like the roller balls, the little vials. It comes with, I think there's like a beeswax in there. There's 2 different types of like a coconut. There's carrier oils. There's everything in there that you will need to help complement the monthly recipe box. She Crafty free. So that is everything that I have for you guys today. Go ahead and comment down below. What did you think of this month's box? What do you think of the different recipes that they have for this month? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly appreciate it. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then you can see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye.